Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Kalisha Amira binti Zohisam. I am from AS2016A. My student ID is 20209683. And today I would like to present field trip video for BIO661. The first location that I visited is Turtle Conservation and Information Center, Cerating, Pahang, where conservation programs such as turtle hatching and awareness was introduced. Second location that I visited is Teluk Cempedak, Kuantan, Pahang, where the observation of monkey social behavior was observed for about 15 minutes. As for the introduction of turtle, there is 4 types of turtles in Malaysia. Leatherback turtle, or called as penyu belimbing, and green turtle, or called as penyu aga. There is also horsebill turtle, or called as penyu kara, and olive ridley turtle, or called as penyu lipas. Next, turtle characteristic on identifying the age is by looking at its shell and size. Turtle lifespan is around 50 to 150 years, and mature age for laying eggs is around 20 to 25 years. For eating behavior, 1 to 6 days after hatching and entering the sea, juvenile turtle only eats from its umbilical cord, but after 7 days, turtles start to eat seaweeds and jellyfish. In determining the gender of turtle, ideal temperature to identify is around 28 to 32 Celsius, and male turtle have longer tail than female turtle. Next, I will explain the mating and nesting behavior. Male turtle will stay in the sea and ready for matings. In contrast, female turtle will return to the exact beach where it was hatched after 2 years to mate and laying eggs. Factor affecting the female turtle return to the beach is imprinting and memory of the environment. Female turtle lays egg around 5 to 7 times, and the total egg is around 100 to 140 eggs. And hatching of the eggs is after 45 to 60 days. Furthermore, the conservation action that have been done by Turtle Conservation and Information Center are tagging on the front and back of turtle legs to track its movement and identification of the species before releasing it to the sea, and handling or controlling the temperature of hatching of the turtle eggs, and lastly took care of the juvenile turtle for 5 years and releasing it to the sea to increase its survivability. Other than that, I will introduce about monkey that was observed at Teluk Cempedak. The scientific name of monkey that been found is Macaca vascularis, or called as crab-eating macaque, and the diet is primarily on fruits, but also eat various diets such as crab, flowers, and leaf. The habitat is can be in coastal forest, mangrove, or primary or secondary forest. The characteristics of this monkey is long tail, small body size. The color is reddish or brownish, and this monkey is loved to sneak into open house or garden to steal fruits and beg tourists for fruits. The communication behavior of monkey that we observe is visual communication and auditory communication. Visual communication is such as facial expression, and auditory communication is such as alarm call or vocalization. Next, I will show the histogram of all monkeys' behavior. It was categorized into 2 groups, which are social and non-social. Example of social behavior are playing and climbing, while example of non-social behavior are eating and resting. The result from the observation, percentage graph of monkey behavior was illustrated. Graph moving behavior of monkeys in social and non-social behavior was determined. The shapes of graph is similar where the moving behavior of monkey in social and non-social behavior increases when the time taken also increases. This is because monkey move a lot, either it is on isolated or jumping or walking with other monkeys. Furthermore, behavior of grooming in social and non-social behavior show the graph in social behavior is increased as monkey grooming towards each other more than when monkey grooms it when it is on isolated. Moreover, Pearson correlation of both behavior also determined. The result is 0.389, shows low positive correlation of two behaviors. Thus, if grooming behavior increase, moving behavior also increase. As for the conclusion, turtle has vital role in marine ecosystem, and conservation must be implemented to save more population of turtles. This is because currently turtle facing more threat such as illegal activity of collection of egg, captive in fishing gears, and sea pollutions. For identification and classification of social and non-social behavior of monkey illustrates the relationship between the behaviors. Learning of behavior in primates help in identify how the primate adaptation and conservation to its habitat. That's all from me. Thank you for your time, and thank you to Dr. Muzammil and UITM too for bringing us to this field trip.